Hello again, everyone. This is Professor Muldrow. I am going to show you how to use a tool that you need to use to be able to do homework in my CS21 Java course. The name of the tool is CodeStepbyStep. For those of you who may have used something called Practice It, CodeStepbyStep is replacing Practice It. It's actually a website, and here's how you get to it. Here in my CS21 course, you need to click on Modules. And the first module you'll see is called CS21 Resources. And this link here is to the CodeStepbyStep website. So when you click it, you have to click a button that opens the site. And here it is. Now, the first thing you need to do is create an account on this website, which is free. So click the Create Account button, and you must enter the following things: your first name, your last name, a valid email address, a username that you create, a password that you create, and then here in the school/organization box, you must type this. Long Beach City College, those exact words. This is what needs to be in the school/organization box. Then you say you've read the terms of service. You must do the CAPTCHA thing to make sure you're not a robot, and then you click Create. As it says at the bottom, you will be emailed instructions that will verify your account. It will email those instructions to the email address that you enter here. So be sure you give it a valid email address. Now, I've already created my account on this site, so I'm going to click the Login button. And here I will enter my username, my password, and click Submit. And you are now logged in. Now, you must do the Practice button. So that's where all the homework problems will be. So click on the Practice button. And in this menu, you want to click Java. And in this menu, you want to go all the way to the bottom to where it says Building Java Programs 5th Edition. Click that link. And what you'll see are links to every chapter of the book. So let's click Chapter 1. Now, within each chapter, there are self-checks and there are exercises. For nearly every week of this course, you will be assigned both self-checks and exercises, which must be submitted separately. Please commit this to memory. Exercises come after self-checks when you scroll down. Please keep that in mind when you scroll down. Now, to look at a question, here's an example. This one says, why do computers use binary numbers? And it happens to be a multiple choice question. Okay, so I'm going to select one of the answers and click the Submit button. And as you can see, I got it wrong. The good news is there is no limit to how many times you may attempt a question. You can keep attempting a question over and over until you get it right. There's no limit. So let's select, which I believe is the correct answer, this one here. And as you can see, I got it right. And there are sound effects built into this website. Now then, to go to the next question, you simply click this area right here. And I've already filled in the answers to this question, number 2. There it is. And let's look at number 3. Here this is. Let's make one change here. That means I got it wrong. Change that answer. That means I got it right. Okay. So if you go back to the list of problems, you will notice that whenever you get a question right, there's a green check mark next to that question. When you are assigned problems each week and it's time to turn in your homework, what I want you to do is to come back to this page that you see and take a screenshot of all the answers, all the self-checks or exercises that have green check marks. So take a screenshot of this page that you see right here with the green check marks and submit that to the assignment in Canvas. Please remember, exercises, which are turned in separately from self-checks, are after the self-checks when you scroll down. Please remember that. If you have any questions, please send me an email at kmuldrow@lbcc.edu.